So I'm about to show you something that online coaches are literally charging thousands of dollars for in order for them to show to other people, right? In this video, I want to show you how to actually create your own ebook step by step. Now, when I say create your own ebook, I'm not just talking about thinking some random words, right? I'm talking about providing actual value in your ebook so that whenever you make a sale, you are rest assured that whatever information you put in there is actually accurate. So if you have not created your ebook and you want to create your ebook, so this video is for you. Make sure you stick on, watch the video to the end because it's going to be a step-by-step guide. So to successfully do this, we are going to be doing this in just 8 simple steps, right? 8 simple steps. You can get a notebook, get a pen, and maybe just jot that down. Jot all the steps down, okay? So let's get started. So the very first thing you need to do before creating any ebook is to first of all make sure you research. Make a research if the topic you are talking about, if it is actually in demand, if people actually want that topic. So to do this, it is very, very simple. Just head over to ChatGPT, tell ChatGPT to give you ideas. Okay, now let's be clear on something. There's what they call niche. That's the category you want to create, the category you want to focus on. It can be cooking, it can be workouts, it can be content creation, it can be video editing, it can be literally anything. It can be health, it can be wealth. So once you've chosen your category, the next part is for you to head over to ChatGPT. Ask ChatGPT, I'm in a certain niche. I want to create ebook that's currently focusing on the niche. So come up with trending topic ideas, right? Of course, ChatGPT or whichever AI tool you are using is going to come up with some for you. So that's the first step. You're going to come up with some names for you. So now do not just go ahead and start creating your ebook now yet, please. So the next thing you have to do is to head over to YouTube. Search for that topic that it gave you. If you see that there are videos in that topic that is getting tons of views, right? That is getting a lot of engagement, know that that topic is most likely going to be is most likely going to be something that is going to actually sell. Okay. The third step is going to be you actually gathering a lot of videos. Like I said, it's not just about creating ebook. You need to make sure whatever you are creating is of high quality. Make sure whatever you are putting out there, it is what is actually going to help people. Why? Because if you just tell ChatGPT to just write the ebook like that, ChatGPT is an AI. It is not human being. Okay, it can only guess. It can only guess. There's nothing as efficient or sufficient than what an actual human being writes. Okay, so the third step is going to be actually gathering videos around that topic that the AI gave you. Okay, once you've gathered the whole videos, right? You've seen the video. What you literally have to do is just for you to copy the link of that video, save it in your doc. So let's move on to the first step. So the first step is going to be you actually transcribing those videos. Okay, so to do this, you can just copy the link of that video and head over to Google Chrome. There are a lot of tools that can help you. Before we continue, please, if you are getting any value from this video, please hit the subscribe button. Okay, that's all I ask. Please hit the subscribe button. Let's move on. Thank you. Transcribe YouTube videos. What transcribe literally means is that you can get the word that was said in that video, the exact word. Just extract the word in form of article. Then you'll be able to extract the word in form of article. So to do this, you can just head over to Google Chrome, type in a YouTube video extractor. There are a lot of them out there. So it's going to show you where to paste in. Just paste in the script, let it transcribe. It's going to load, and just copy it. After copying that the old transcript, it's time for us to move on to the next step. The next step is going to be also using AI tool. For now, I like to use Cloud AI because Cloud AI tends to be more creative. So what we have to, before you even paste in that article, that video transcript you got, you need to first of all talk to the AI like a human being. Let the AI know what you want to do, what you plan to aim, what is your aim with the ebook, what you want to do, right? Tell the AI the tone, the style you want it to speak with, right? So after discussing all that, the next thing for you to do is for you to paste those videos transcripts. Remember, those transcripts you are pasting, they are the videos related to the ebook that you want to create. Maybe it can be how to lose weight at home, right? How to lose weight at home. There are a lot of videos out there on YouTube. So you just get that video from YouTube, transcribe it, turn it into an article, then paste it to Cloud AI. Tell Cloud AI to read, understand, and analyze the article very well, and understand what the article is trying to talk, everything. Just make sure you understand it first. So after it has finished reading everything, it's going to bring out the headline, everything about the video to you, right? After, it's going to bring out all that to you. So what you want to do from there right now, once it has replied you, it's time for you to tell the Claude AI, you just give it instruction. Okay, I want to create a certain amount of page of ebook. Now create the ebook. Of course, Claude AI is going to create an entire ebook around that spot. It's going to, you understand, like, you have already given the AI ideas on what to do. You have more like educated it, everything, give it topic, everything that you wanted to talk about. So the next part is just for you to tell him to create the ebook. So once it has finished creating the ebook, it's going to be in form of a document. Then you just hit download, right? Just going to click on it on Claude AI. You're going to just click on it. So after clicking on it, the next step is going to be you actually formatting the ebook. We need to understand that AI can never replace human beings, because they tend to, when it comes to writing an article, they tend to repeat some word very often, right? So you have to make sure you proofread it, you edit it, you add your own human touch to it. Just make it flow naturally, right? Sometimes AI tend to put full stop where there's supposed to be comma. So just make everything flow like an actual human being. Do you understand? So now after getting the ebook, it's time for you to format it. Like I said, just make sure you add your human touch to it. After all that, you can save it as PDF on your Google Doc. So now the ebook inside is ready. So the next part is for you to create the cover, right? To do that is very, very simple. For this one, I like to use ChatGPT, right? All you have to do is just copy the entire ebook, right? If you have a title in mind, I highly recommend you come up with something very, very catchy, right? Something catchy and straightforward. Okay, do not make it sorry. So make sure you come up with a title that is very catchy and straightforward, right? So after coming up with that title, it's time for you to generate the cover of the ebook, because it doesn't matter where you are going to be selling that ebook, you are so much going to be needing that cover, and that cover is going to be what is going to convince people to buy your ebook. So to do this, I'll just copy. You can just copy the entire ebook, paste it into ChatGPT, tell ChatGPT to read and understand the ebook very well, then create a cover for it. Of course, ChatGPT is going to do his own job, create the cover for it. Then you can maybe create multiple covers and make selection on the one that you want. Do not forget, if ChatGPT make any kind of mistake, you can always correct it, right? So just tell it what to do. Then it's going to create the cover for you. So that is exactly how you create an ebook, a high value ebook. Okay, so if you are still here in this video, it simply means that already you understand, you enjoy the video, right? So please, hitting the subscribe button is not going to be a bad idea. So until we take care, peace.